This is a lecture on the information system security. Today we are going to discuss block cipher symmetric encryption technique. In this topic we have discussed the data encryption technique. Today we are going to discuss the advanced encryption technique. So it is the advanced encryption technique it is found to be 6 times faster than triple DES. So the features of AES are: it is symmetric key and symmetric block cipher technique. In this, the plain text has a size of 128 bit, and in this method we can have key of either 128 bit, 192 bit or 256 bit. So the AES is stronger and faster than triple DES. So the AES also uses the concept of substitution and permutation, which include the concept of the confusion and diffusion. And the most interesting thing is that the AES performs all its computation on the bytes rather than bits. The AES treat the 128 bit of the plain text block as the 16 bytes. These 16 bytes are arranged in 4 columns and 4 rows for processing as a matrix. So, unlike the DES, the number of rounds in the AES is variable, and the number of rounds in the AES depends on the length of the key. So AES uses 10 rounds for 128 bit keys, and if the key is of 192 bit, then the number of round will be 12, and if the key is 256 bit, then the number of round in the AES will be 14 rounds. Each of these rounds uses a different 128 bit round key. Means in the AES, for each round we use a key of 128 bit, which is unique for each of the round, and it is calculated from the original AES key. This is the structure of the AES encryption process. Here on the 128 bit plain text, we first perform the pre-round transformation. So on this, for the pre-round transformation operation, we apply k denoted we apply a key which is denoted by k0 in this diagram. This key is of 128 bit. Now we perform round 1 to round n. This number of round will depend on the size of the key. Now for each round, the key generated are unique, which is generated from a key expansion or key generation algorithm. So each of the single round in the AES has the following process. First, we applied the we perform the 8 round key, then on the plain text, then for a particular round we apply the sub bytes, shift rows, mix column and the 8 round key. So in the first step for a round is the byte substitution, which is called as the sub bytes. So the 16 input bytes are substituted by looking up a fixed table, which is called as the substitution box given in the design, and the result is in a matrix of 4 row and the 4 columns. Now the second step of a round is the shift row. So each of the 4 rows of the matrix is shifted to the left. So the first row is not shifted, and then the second row is shifted one byte position to the left, and the third row is shifted two position to the left, and the fourth row is shifted 3 position to the left, and the result is a new matrix consisting of the same 16 bytes but shifted with respect to each other. The third operation is the mixed column operation. So, in the mixed column operation, each column of the 4 bytes is now transformed using a special mathematical function. This function takes as input the 4 bytes of one column and output 4 completely new bytes, which replace the original column. The result is another new matrix consisting of 16 new bytes. It should be noted that this step is not performed in the last round. So the mixed column is not performed in the last round of the algorithm. The 8 round key. So in this step, the 16 bytes of the matrix are now considered as 128 bits and are XORed to the 128 bits of the round key. If this is the last round, then the output is the ciphertext. Otherwise, the resulting 128 bits are interpreted as 16 bytes and we begin another similar rounds. The decryption process of the AES. So the process of decryption of an AES ciphertext is similar to the encryption process in the reverse order. So each round consists of the 4 processes conducted in the reverse order. So first we perform the 8 round key, then we perform the mix column, after that the shift row, and then byte substitution. So we see that decryption is done in the reverse manner. The last step of the round process is applied in the first. Since sub-processes in each round are in reverse manner, unlike for a Festool cipher, the encryption and the decryption algorithm needs to be separately implemented, but they are closely related. AES analysis. In present day cryptography, the AES is widely adopted and supported in both hardware and software. So, till date, no practical analytic attack against the AES has been discovered. Additionally, the AES has built-in flexibility of the key length, which allows a degree of future proofing against the progress in the ability to perform exhaustive key searches. However, just as for DES, the AES security is assured only if it is correctly implemented and good key management is employed. So, basically, the AES is more secure than the DES. The most important thing in the AES is its implementation, that is, its correct implementation and the good key management scheme to be employed. Thank you.